In this video, we'll be showing you how you can accept global one-off or recurring donations on your website to encourage support from your community. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Settings, and then click on the Fundraising tab. Check the Accept Donations checkbox and click on the Update button. Once enabled, a donation message will appear at the top of all customer-facing pages of your website. A dedicated product group will automatically be created and include donation and recurring donation products. Recurring donation payment schemes are also automatically created and cannot be edited. If a customer enters a custom donation amount, a corresponding payment scheme will be generated. When a customer clicks the Donate Now button, a modal window will display the available donation options. If a one-off donation amount is selected, they will proceed directly to checkout. If a recurring donation is selected, the customer completes the checkout process and must agree to the recurring donation terms. A payment schedule is automatically set up via Stripe for future payments. If your organisation is a registered charity and your charity commission number is added in your site settings, then customers will be prompted to complete gift aid during checkout. Customers can view and manage their recurring donations by heading to My Account and then Subscriptions. Recurring donation information, including schedule of payment, can be viewed either via the Manage menu or by clicking on the subscription ID. Recurring donations can be cancelled either from the Manage menu or by clicking on the subscription ID and then on the rubbish bin icon next to status. The product group organiser will receive a notification if a recurring donation is cancelled, if the BCC Order Confirmations checkbox has been checked in the product group settings. To view recurring donations, head to Reports, then Subscriptions, and use the search field in the Manage menu. This information can then be exported to PDF or to Excel for further manipulation off-platform if required. Recurring donations can be viewed and cancelled via the Manage menu. And that's it! You can now accept global, one-off and recurring donations on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.